Sa letrang P.
Putang ina mo! Hello, daddy ko. Happy birthday to you. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay matupad lahat ng wish mo sa buhay. At magkaroon tayo ng madaming pera. So, I gathered birthday greetings from the people you love and who loves you as well. So, here they. Enjoy!
Hi JD, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and sana kung ano man yung wish mo ngayong birthday mo matupad mo. Tapos paldong-paldo ka na, magpainom ka na next time. Peace out. Yeah.
Hi JD, happy birthday. I love you. Charot.
JD, sana matupad yung wish to Jollibee sa'yo.
Hi babe, happy birthday. Mabuhay kang gat gusto mo ha. See you on Friday and more birthdays to come and more bondings. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Popshi! I know it's been a while since our last bonding together and I hope this year will give us a chance to reconnect again and makasama kayo mga prettiest. I wish you nothing but good vibes and happiness always.
Hi JD,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday, DJ.
Yes, happy birthday Patel, JD Parker. So, I love you. So proud of you. Alam mo yan. And see you soon. I love you. Bye Patel.
Oh, nagising ko lang. Happy birthday sa'yo, JD. Diyos ko. Ano nang ganap? Ginising-gising mo ako para magpabati. So lang ganap. Pagganap ka na, B. Happy birthday sa'yo. Mabuhay ka kung gusto mo. Bye.
Happy birthday, JD. I wish you all the best in life. Miss na kitang kabanding. Oh my gosh, mag-coffee na tayo soon. Love you. Ingat ka always.
Hi JD, happy birthday and I'm so sorry hindi ako makakapunta and I wish you all the best in life and that's it. Goodbye.
Hi JD, happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon at this time sana hindi ka na malasing di tulad nung last year. 'Di ba? Sobrang walwal mo ng time na yun. So I hope you enjoy your day and huwag ka nang mag-isip ng mga problema kasi alam ko madami kang problemang pinagdadaanan ngayon. Di ba? Ang dami mong mga rants online, tapos yung mga chat natin, puro problema mo, madami kang pinapa-advise. But this time, sana isipin mo muna yung mga, yung makapagpapasaya sa'yo, di ba? Kasi it's your birthday. Happy birthday, JD!
Hi JD, happy birthday. Sana magka-bonding tayo ulit like before and wishing you a happy birthday and God bless always. Bye. Love lots.
Happy birthday, JD.
Birthday DJ, last mo na yan tangina mo. Mwah.
Hi JD, just want to greet you happy birthday and good health. I wish you're enjoying your very special day. You spend your time with your friends, with the people you love, and yeah, more birthdays to come to you.
Hello JD, happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi and more birthdays to come. Hope to see you soon.
Hi JD, this is Jessica Puno. I just wanna greet you happy birthday. Unta, sana mag-invite ka sa next birthday mo. Sarap kumain ng lechon. Joke lang. Enjoy your day and have a blast.
So, hey JD, your friend here, Farah, told me that it was your birthday and she told me that I should say hi to you and greet you on your birthday. Bakit? Charot. Happy birthday, JD. Wishing you all the best on your birthday and thank you for always supporting me. Enjoy your day. Mabuhay kang gat gusto mo. Alam mo yan. Thank you. I'll see you soon, hopefully.
Happy birthday, JD. Galingan mo lang in life tapos mag-illegal ka.